Yeah, she has like a streak, like courting guys, and she doesn't even talk. You know what I mean?
Hmm?
What do you mean?
It's different. The 3 and the 5s are different, so you're gonna get a different measurement. This is the measurement right here. The thing you need to figure out is where exactly.
Oh, so then we'll just same height, but we'll just space it out. We'll put the 3 there.
It's already spaced out.
No, I know, but we'll just put the 3 there, and then the M can go like whatever distance.
So you want to take both of them off?
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll just mask this part first, and then the M can go however far this side. This is gonna be the stopping point. Over the 3 is hidden zone.
Well, it's already spaced out, so we just have to figure out exactly where it goes exactly. 'Cause this isn't the stock one. I've always seen them like in different places.
Are you serious?
Yeah. I'm curious to see if
The placement?
Yeah, it's not right.
What the heck? It's a cowl, the front cowl. What do you think it was?
I thought it was a spoiler, to be honest with you, but that's
No,
not.
what the I don't put a spoiler. I don't want spoiler on this.
I think
The M is right and this is right.
The 3 is off.
Yeah.
So as long as we get that right.
Well, just tape
Yeah.
this part.
Wait, so is the 3 right?
No, the M is
No,
right.
this is
the
wrong.
The 3 is wrong.
So you just tape this and tape.
Oh, so it's
to
closer
here.
to the tail light.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's this one.
Because if you look at this photo.
Today we're going to be installing this. So front window cowl for E46 M3. Mine is pretty withered out. And we're also going to be doing the M3 badge in the rear because they didn't install it right, and 3 is like super close to the M.
You think when you're driving, people thought it was fake?
Oh, probably. But then you can look at the grill, the gills.
Ooh, that's what you're saying.
That's how you can tell if it's a genuine M. If it has the gills right there, not some stickers or anything. We're gonna start by installing this. Let's get to it.
All these voices that I want inside my bed give me pressure like the warmth inside my head. I think you should give me faster calling than I'm after when I'm falling.
As you can tell, we've installed the new cowl, and it's dark. We always work at night for some reason. Now we gotta install the windshield wipers.
You can still see it.
And we're gonna eye it because we forgot to mark it. So mark it with painter's tape. Don't be like us. Ow.
You can see that. Roadkill. Look at Luis.
Hello. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'll just give you a hug. You gotta give me a hug, dog.
Luis isn't a person that likes hugs.
I really don't, I'll be honest.
Yeah, but yeah, he said in public. Dude, yesterday, these bang, bro. We went to Great Value, Alex. This fool's in the restaurant, loud as hell. I'm like, yeah, bro.
Oh my god.
And they kept saying over and over, he's like, yeah, I'll put your ass, but you gonna suck my down. And the people behind them, like sitting in the booth, the little girl looks over like this, she's like, I'm like, yo, stop associating.
Y'all some
He's like, I'm gonna warm up their booty. That's probably the gayest thing I ever heard, though.
Remember that?
He said he tapped him on the back. He did this to his boyfriend or whatever. It was like, let's go home and warm up that booty. I was like, oh my god! How could you be okay with this?